Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to channel full Barbie Gymnast energy with a dazzling leotard-inspired fit that screams gold medal glam. So if you're ready to stick the landing in style, this look is your perfect 10. And let's just get started to the perfect gymnast Barbie outfit. So first for the hair, you can use this updo combined with this bangs and just color it blonde. And now for the outfit, first I'm going to just put on this pants in here and color it blue. This is the blue color that I'm going to use to go it into type 3. Then I'm going to make it light silk like this and combine it with the stock. Use the same color and material. It will go like this. And now I'm going to put on this belt, color it pink, just like this. And I'm going to put on this shoe, the Mary Jane shoe first, color it pink, and then combine it with the sneakers also in pink color. And now you can just go through the dressing room, and first you can put on this leg warmer and color it blue, but I'll make it a little bit lighter, and also the eyelashes. And that's it. Now this is the final look of Barbie Gymnast in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.